27th of June 2021. This was very difficult to get this out, but we did it also. And this is Alppikatu 9. Here in Alppikatu, it's part of Kallio, but Helsinki, Finland, with 9 floors. And the capacity is 3 persons out of the footprint. Stick up here original with 9 floors, but it's too slow.
Yeah.
But still amazing.
Yeah.
The mechanical furniture and NP6 fixtures, so this has to be from the 1960s. Let's see. Refurbished interior, but otherwise original. Built in 1962, turning 60 years old in the next year, 2022, when it will be inspected again, and the serial number is H10202. Basement first locked off. I like the sound here.
Same here.
Maybe one tried because it's a bit too slow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to time to a film stick, it says ASC. That's it. Watch this was this stick, it says
That's
ASC.